This is my Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 with the Acerbis handguards. I wanted to get handguards for my bike, for this bike, so I was looking for a while and shopping around, and I like the Acerbis style the best, so these are the ones I wanted the most. I could see glimpses of them in videos here and there, in pictures, but I never really got a good look at how they fit. And even though they're made especially for the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450, I was still just apprehensive whether or not they'd actually fit well, because I've had trouble with other handguards. But these went on easily, no problem. And so just here's a video of kind of a closer look at how they fit. Starting with the left side, there's this plastic covered bracket here. The bracket inside is steel, not aluminum, so they're not exactly lightweight. It came with a longer bolt that goes through the bar end weight. So that's the OEM, that's the stock bar end weight that remains on there, and this longer bolt just goes through there. So that was real easy. And then there's this extension piece to get the bracket to reach from itself to this bracket here on the handlebar. And the bracket fit on the handlebar as well. There's one on the left and one on the right, but they're both the same. But they clamp onto the part of the bar that's not yet tapered, and they fit really well. There's no gaps or anything, and they fit tightly. So here's just another view of the left side. I've got these Amazon levers on here, these shorty levers on. They're quite a bit bulkier in this area than the stock levers, but they're still clearance. They still clear the brackets well. I've got them rotated down. That's how I like them. So there's just another look there at how it fits. The cable and this loom go loop over. I got them looped over this bracket here. A little bit of a sharp corner there. I might file this down at some point, just to take that sharp corner off that off the clutch cable. And then here's the right side. Same thing. It's got this bracket, this stamped metal bracket that joins the handguard bracket to the handlebar bracket. Comes with all the hardware, of course. Mine came with black guards. I wanted the white ones, so I had to order those separate. I got them from Acerbis USA, and the same thing, of course. The bar on weight with just a longer bolt. But that's how they fit, and that's how they look. I'm perfectly happy with these. They look good. I just like the way they look, and they went on well, and they fit well. Just another view of them. So check them out if you like the Acerbis ones.